Hi everyone, in this video we will create use case diagram online using draw.io. So let's first of all come to draw.io website. Yeah, that has loaded. So first of all, this option means that where you would like to save your diagram. Okay, you can change that here. You can change save on Google Drive, GitHub, GitLab and Dropbox, and there are many places that you would like to that you can save your diagrams. So now here are two buttons, create new diagram and open existing diagram. We will press this create new diagram, and here you have a few recommended diagrams, and also in the right side, the left side, you see these diagrams. Okay, so but we will press this blank diagram. Okay, and let's name our file use case. Let's press this create button. So let's save it on database, name it use case diagram. You can change here in which format you would like to save. Okay, we would like to save on PNG format. Okay, let's save this and save it. Yeah, this area has opened for us. So now see here, you can add more shapes here by pressing this. Okay, which shapes you want, you just tick mark them. Okay, and apply that filter. But we have those that we needed. Okay, we need UML diagrams, and this UML diagram, we have all the diagrams that we need. Okay, we would like to create a use case diagram here, so we need this use case, and this is the actor and a link. Okay, so let's first of all create a use case, but before that we will take an area, okay, to write our use cases in that. Let's remove this. So for that let's come to more shapes, and we will add these generals. Okay, apply this. After that, let's come to the general, and we will take this area. Okay, we will draw our diagram, our use cases inside this. Let's drag our use cases, come here down, take this use case diagram, for example manage books. Okay, and if we click this one and come down to this one, we can add another use case. Okay, let's remove this shape and manage student. So the second one, and if we add it, let's press again use case. We can add here borrow book. It is just a simple use case diagram to show you how it works. Okay, so let's drag our actors now. So it is the first actor, which is librarian with us. Let's change the name of this. This is the librarian with us. And let's take another actor, which is student with us. Whenever you double click on that, so you can save name for that. Okay, so now let's draw these lines to that. So for that let's come to the basic diagrams, and we will take this diagram. Okay, line, and just drag it here, and the student can just borrow the book. Okay, and let's take another one, which will be used for manage book and actor, and another one, yes, manage students, the librarian. Another one, which is yes. So this was the use case diagram that we have created. So to save it, just press Ctrl S. That has saved in our desktop. So let's check it now. See, it has saved here. We have our use case diagram here. Okay, so these are the use cases related things. Okay, so it was all about you creating use case diagram online, using draw.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video, comment down. Thanks for watching.